Today we come up with an attractive A-frame home tour with amazing interior and exterior. This lovely home designed by using wooden, steel and glass material. This is a cool home built up for 15 lakh and it includes living room, 1 bedroom, washroom and a beautiful balcony. Let's check the inside of this home. There is a drawing room with opulent furniture. There is also arranged a washroom with all facilities. Coming to the stairs, there is a bedroom with good ambience. This is the balcony area. It allowing to a stunning view of nature. 2 chairs and a tea table are arranged here. We hope you have enjoyed this trending home tour. Thanks for watching.